You guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I have a fun DIY for you guys today. This is a paint by line snow globe. So first I'm going to go in with the color of the Gulf, and I'm going to base coat the background of my snow globe. And all the colors and paint I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased online at buildacross.com. It is my very favorite paint and the one you see me using on most all of my videos. Once I'm done with that blue color, I'm going to swap over and start painting my Christmas tree. I'm using limeade for the top, mint julep for the middle, and evergreen at the bottom. And then I'm just going to use the color chocolate for the stem. I'm going to use cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White, for my snow at the bottom of the snow globe. And then I'm going to use Savannah Mist for the base of my snow globe. And then while all that is still drying and everything, I'm going to go in and start to add swirls. And so I want to talk to you guys a little bit about how I make swirls and what I like to do. This is definitely something that I got better at over time. So if you don't like them at first, don't stress. You can practice on some paper or like your table before you do them on the actual cutout. But what I like to do is use a number 4 round and some more runny watered down paint. So add just a little bit of water to your paint so your brush strokes go further. And I never like to do more than like 2 loops. I feel like anytime you do more than 2 loops, it gets messy. And I also always like my my swirls to come from like the edges of something. So I don't just do random swirls on the center of the cutout. I like to do them like either coming from the edges or coming from the tree. And then I just highlight those swirls in a peacock, and that kind of finishes it all for me. So once I'm done with that, I'm going in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker because everything's dried completely and I'm outlining everything. So I'll also use a Sharpie marker to go in and write Merry Christmas at the bottom. And you guys, this marker makes this very easy because it's just like writing with a pencil, but it's the perfect brush tip and size to make your lettering very pretty. And I try to do lettering every chance I get just so I can get better at it the more and more I do it. But if you're not comfortable with that, I recommend going in with vinyl. It works as well. Just make sure everything's dry. And then I'll finish this off by highlighting everything with the number 4 round and the color cotton. And then that will complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.